If you forget to do this simple thing to your car before winter, you could be paying thousands of dollars in repairs. During the summer months, we use a summer washer fluid that helps to remove bug residue from our windshields. But this fluid is not designed for the winter months, and it will freeze when temperatures start to drop. So what happens when you use these summer washer fluids in the cold of winter? Well, it can lead to a host of problems. Your windshield can become a sheet of ice, making it extremely difficult to see, as well as your windshield wipers freezing and getting stuck, and even potentially damaging your windshield. And if that's not bad enough, this entire washer fluid system could freeze, crack, and then leak, causing you to need an entirely new system and could be an extremely expensive bill. Well, luckily for us, this is extremely easy and inexpensive fix. All you need to do is you need to switch to a winter washer fluid. The winter washer fluid is formulated to withstand your freezing temperatures, so that can ensure that it's not going to crack in your reservoir or freeze your windshield while you're driving. So that means you'll be able to see no matter how cold it gets, and you'll also be able to ensure that your system isn't going to crack and leak, saving you money in the process. But I know the question you guys are asking, how do I remove the summer washer fluid that's already within my system? Well, there's a couple of ways that you can do that. You can either take a pump or a suction and suction that all out. That seems like way too much work for washer fluid that's like, what, $4 or so? So what I do is I just like to go and turn on the windshield wipers, turn on the fluid, and then just empty it that way, just to make sure that it's all out of the system. But in my case, as you guys can see, I'm about half full, or maybe just a little bit less than half full. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be going ahead and topping up with my winter washer fluid that's rated to -49, and this is going to mix with my summer washer fluid, and it's going to give a freezing temperature that's somewhere in between the two fluids. And since it's only October for me, it's not going to be super cold that I need that -49, and I'm going to continue to use this washer fluid for the next couple of months, and that'll ensure that I do get all that summer mixture more or less out of the system, and then I can top it up with that -49 fluid. So before winter sets in, make sure you guys are switching to that winter washer fluid. It's going to save your system from cracking and leaking, and it's also going to keep you a lot safer on the road. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please consider subscribing. Until next time, take care.